All right, turning our attention to the weather now. KDKA meteorologist Falicia Woody is joining us tonight, and this rain has been going on for hours. Felicia, when's it going to stop?
So we only have a few more hours left. By the time you wake up tomorrow, you shouldn't have to worry about anything other than some drops on your windshield, and then you can drive on to work and it should be pretty dry. However, if you're around the I-80 corridor, you might be looking out your window and there's something other than rain falling, and that's because there is some flurry action. The temperatures are up there are in the upper 30s, so especially in Jefferson County, you might be experiencing more of that mixing going on, the rain and the snow, but everywhere south of I-80 has been seeing those scattered showers, and we actually could use a little bit of rain. We could use some precipitation, but really could use some snow. It's been a while since we've seen them, but it doesn't look like we're going to see much, if any, in the coming days. So we still have some moderate downpours, especially in Fayette County, a little bit into Westmoreland, now pushing into Somerset County, but Pittsburgh is starting to dry out. Lows around freezing as you head further up towards the north. We have 38 for the low tonight in Pittsburgh, low 40s as you head further south, and tomorrow's high temperatures will be around 50 degrees, very similar to today. But tomorrow's wind gusts are going to be ramping up. We could be experiencing up to 40-mile-per-hour winds in the afternoon. So if tomorrow is your trash day, it's getting picked up in the morning, and you don't get home until the evening around dinner time, you may have to go searching for that trash can. It might end up in your neighbor's yard because those gusts up to 40 miles per hour, especially when you take the trash out of it and it's empty, that can fly around everywhere. But it's not expected to be too windy in the morning and should calm down by the evening around sunset. So let's go ahead and hop right into FUTURECAST. A few showers actually might be possible in the late afternoon or late morning, early afternoon, and then we should dry out by the evening. Wednesday's forecast is actually looking a little tricky, and here's why. So we're watching this warm surge of air infiltrating cold air that's going to be settled on top of us, that's settling in for Tuesday night into Wednesday. So since that warm air is pushing up against that cold air, we could see a wintry mix. Pittsburgh and surrounding regions, very small chance we could see any kind of mixing or even the possibility of some sleet or a glaze of ice. But warm air will be taking over by the afternoon. So scattered rain showers by the afternoon around lunchtime. Meanwhile, that wintry mix, which is indicated here in the pink, will be more so for the I-80 corridor and up into the mountains. But then we all switch to rain by Wednesday evening. We're actually going to continue to warm up all through Wednesday evening, and we actually have the chance for some thunder showers going into Thursday morning. And then the heat continues to build. In fact, Thursday we're forecasting 72 degrees as the high, and this is going to make the third week in a row where we could see another record-breaking high temperature. So we're forecasting 72. The old one on that day is 70 degrees, set back in 1922, a 100-year-old record. So pretty insane stuff that we've been talking about. We're still looking at 40s coming back into the picture after the heat is done. This upcoming weekend, cloudy skies with a few showers ending it on Sunday with highs in the 40s.
Okay, thanks, Felicia.